All right, good morning. Digital multimedia. Sorry, my mind was somewhere else. I believe I kind of informed most of you guys that I wasn't going to be in today, but as you're watching this video, you're probably piecing it together. Yesterday, I gave you guys access to the second part of the tutorial assignments. This one is going to be a typography portrait where you use custom text to create the image or illusion of an image of someone's face. All those files are made available to you guys through your Perspective Hours Edmodo page. So make sure that you familiarize yourself with those links. There's actually not a lot of files that you need to be concerned about, but I do have the image itself and the videos ready for you guys to watch, download, and work through. You guys are going to have today's class period Thursday, Friday tomorrow, and next week Monday. And I'm going to start talking to you guys, or at least presenting to you guys, your next upcoming printed project on Tuesday's class period. So, make good use of the time today. Work through everything. Make sure that you're following the video step by step. You're not cutting any corners or shortcutting things. This will be the last assignment that goes on your report card. So I want to make sure that you guys have enough fair time to go through and work through, receive the credit that you absolutely need. All right. I'm going to sign off here because really this video wasn't meant or intended to be super long. It was just kind of a reminder as what you guys have coming up before you. And I wanted you guys to utilize most of the time throughout the hour. So I will see you guys when I return tomorrow in Friday's class. Good luck. And I guess I'll be able to answer all your questions when I return. All right. Bye.